What's up, guys? John MacLennan here, and welcome to episode number 19 of Inside the Solo. Today's episode is on a song called Whole Lotta Love by the band Led Zeppelin, and the guitar solo is played by Jimmy Page. It's an awesome solo, and it uses 6 licks. Let's check it out. So I've got the rhythm guitar part being played as well as that lead line. And it starts out with the rhythm just playing these 2 chords, E, E. And then the lead takes over. So we've got E, E, and then this lead goes. And that lick is up here at the 12th fret, sort of your pentatonic, minor pentatonic box up here. And you're going to start with your 3rd finger on the 14th fret of the G string. Bend that up a whole step, and then you lay your 1st finger flat and play 12 and 12 on the B and E strings. So this is a really common classic rock lick, and everybody plays it. It's an awesome lick. After that, you're going to play the 15th fret of the B string, then to 12 on the B string, and then you do a double pull-off. You're going to play the 15th fret of the G string, pulling off to 14, pulling off to 12. So it's, see that? And then you finish off with 14, 12, and then a bend on 14. So it's a little seesaw there, back and forth. So slowly. Let's hear it. Also sounds like there's a little wah pedal on the front of that. And then the E power chord, or the E chord underneath, comes in again. And you drop down to this bluesy phrase. So that lick comes down here to the 2nd fret of the G string. You slide up to 4. Then you put your 1st finger down and play the 3rd fret on the B string. And then you slide back down from 4 to 2 to 0. And then you play 2, 0, 2, 0. And then you do these double pull-offs, which is on the D string, 2nd fret. I'll use my 2nd finger and do a pull-off, and do it again, and then come up 1 string to the A string and do a pull-off, just 1. So it's a double on the D string and 1 on the A string. And they're quick, da-da-da-da-da-da, really fast. One more time. Okay, then the chords come in again, the E. Now we've got back up to this 12th position. So that lick is going to be the 14th fret of the G string. You bend up a whole step. Do the same thing as we did before, 12, 12. And we're going to bend now on the B string, 15th fret, twice. And the way you do that is you bend up, and then you mute the sound, and then you lower it down, and then you bend up again. So it's real quick like this. Then you reach with your pinky, play the 15th fret on the high E string, and then bend again on the B string. So all together, and then add vibrato. Now we just got this insane bend. So the way I play that is up here on the 17th fret of the B string. Then you play 20 on the B string, and you bend it 2 whole steps. And then you come back down to 17 on the B string, put your second finger on 19 of the G string, and then play 20 on the B string, back to 17 on the B string. So kind of a bluesy lick, right? Real bluesy, actually. And this also reminds me actually of kind of the way B.B. King would play. This is out of something called the B.B. box. Over your E chord, you know, he's playing like blues B.B. King sound. Also, it's minor pentatonic mixed in there. So next lick. So that's going to be 17 on the B string, and then play 19 on the E string, bend up a whole step, and then come down, walk chromatically, going down every note. So that's 19, 18, 17, and then 20 on the B string, 17 on the E string, back to 20 on the B string. So, and then end on that root note, which is the 17th fret of the B string. And there's like a little scratch in there. It's like you kind of scuff the note, but it's cool. Sounds so cool. All right, great job. If you made it this far, we got one more lick. Hang in there. Fingers are hurting. So we're gonna start on the 17th fret of the B string, and then we're gonna play 19 on the B string, and then we're gonna slowly bend it up. And then we add our pinky underneath on the E string, 19th fret, back to that root note. So it kind of slowly ramps up. And it's 3 bends, and each one goes a little higher. So it's like 1, 2, 3. And then after that, you grab the pinky. Here it is. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got something out of this video, some good Jimmy Page licks you can add to your vocabulary. Take your time with these. They're pretty tough, pretty advanced licks. If your fingers are hurting, it's totally normal. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and also if you want to follow along with me at John MacLennan on Instagram, you can. And click the link below. You can sign up for the newsletter and you can get a free 100-page, over 100 pages, PDF of guitar licks and exercises to practice. All right, I'm John MacLennan. We'll see you next time.